Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha and today I'm challenging myself to finish my makeup in 15 minutes. So a lot of you guys had requested makeup challenges, so this is my first one. I am nervous, but fingers crossed that it goes well. So I've already used my moisturizer, my eye cream, and also my lip balm. I'm ready to start with makeup. I'm gonna get a mirror first to make sure I'm doing everything correctly. I think I'm also going to add a clock right here so you can keep track of the time with me. Color correction. I should have chosen brushes too, I feel. Okay, I'm just going to use the NW40 around my mouth. Putting NC42 on some of my darker spots. Put some redness right here. And then under my eyes, again NW40. Just a little bit where I have darkness. I'm afraid I'm going to skip through some steps. I don't know. We'll see. Ooh, it's already been 2 minutes. Okay. I think I'm going in with foundation next. I'm using my Kat 1D Locket foundation. I think I'm going to use my brush. I'm going to use this. "12 minutes remaining." I feel like I'm going to spend most of my time on my base makeup, then end up with no time for the eyes. And I chose this foundation because it has good coverage, so it's going to cover pretty soon instead of layering a lighter foundation or coverage, instead of layering a lighter coverage foundation quite a few times. Especially since I've been eating a ton of dessert and therefore I have been breaking out more than usual. Alright, I think I'm going over this with a damp beauty blender sponge just to blend everything in, make sure I have an even layer. Okay, I'm going to spot conceal. I think I'm going to use this Poppy Brown stick concealer just directly on the spots. Hopefully the shade looks okay. Haven't used it in a bit. I think it's a little orange. Yes. I sometimes wish the Kevyn Aucoin concealer came in a stick. Would be perfect. Shades and everything will be in the description box below as usual. If you're interested, just using both my hands to get everything done pretty soon. See acne there. 8 minutes remaining. Almost halfway done with the time. Okay. I think that looks pretty good. I have one mark right there. Something here. Going to set everything in place with the RCMA No Color powder. I know this will look crazy, but I've been trying it for a few days now. And it really sets my makeup in quite nicely. And gives a nice coverage. So I'm going to leave this to set or bake or do whatever it has to do. I totally forgot cream contouring, but we're going to skip it. I feel I have just 6 minutes remaining. What am I doing next? I'm going to do my brows. Where are the stupid brow things? Using this eyeshadow by MAC called Brun. Okay, for my eyes, I'm using this Estee Lauder Creme eyeshadow. Just all over, simple. Same with lower lash line. Just realized I've not concealed under my eyes. Okay, I'm applying mascara, Marc Jacobs. And the MAC Eagle Lash on my bottom. You can tell I'm not used to applying makeup this fast. Going to do a MAC lip liner, or a NYX one. This is in the shade Brown. And then Persistence. The liner is all over the place. Just going to even it out. Okay, for my, I need some bronzer for sure. I'm going to use this powder. It's going to buff that over to remove the RCMA. Then bring back some color to my face. Okay, sorry. Bronzer. Oh my god, I didn't do well with the brushes. It's going to run the same thing as a contour along the sides of my nose. Okay, going to do Where is my cream? I'm going to actually conceal under my eyes. And just blend that out. I use both my ring fingers. Come on, blend. Okay, finally, blush. Okay, that's 15 minutes. The timer just went off. Okay, that was very stressful, to say the least. But I think I have a pretty decent face on. It looks very powdery. So what I'm going to do is just cheat and apply some setting spray, just so I look a little more human. And I didn't get any time for contouring. So in case I was doing this and I had just 15 minutes to rush out the door, I would definitely use the setting spray at the end while I'm running out, or yeah, put it in the elevator or something like that. But this is the makeup. Very simple, but quite wearable, I feel. I would have definitely added more blush. So a few products that I had planned to use that I didn't was this Kiko eyeshadow. I had planned to use this on the center of the lid or on the lid to add some dimension, but that didn't happen. I wanted to use my Kevin Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer, but I'm glad I didn't, because taking this out and applying it on those scarring instead of going in with that stick concealer by Bobbi Brown would have taken me a longer time. So I'm glad I switched to this one, although this was a little bit dark for me, as you can see. Slightly darker, but it's okay. When I went in with the lighter powder, it doesn't show up as bad as it does, so it's okay. Another product that I'd wanted to use was my contour stick by Kiko. That totally didn't happen. I wanted to use some eyeliner, so either a brown or a black. That didn't happen in my waterline. Yeah, but otherwise I'm not too mad at this. I actually could go out like this and I'll be okay. So I'm quite surprised with how much I could get done in 15 minutes. And this looks promising, but I'm nervous to do 10 minutes. I don't think I can do 10 minutes. Especially with, you know, skin that has acne or acne scarring. I think you spend a lot of time on your base, so that kind of takes time. But hopefully in the future, when my skin gets better, I think I could try a 10-minute challenge. But for now, I hope you found this entertaining, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me.